Now that your mouthpiece is ready, cover it with the mouthpiece cap and rest it in your case. Next, pick up your saxophone crook. It may look like this, or you might not have one at all if you're playing soprano saxophone. Hold the crook in one hand and in the other hand, pick up your mouthpiece. Being careful not to apply too much pressure, twist your mouthpiece onto the cork, leaving roughly 1 centimeter of cork showing. If your saxophone is new or the cork feels stiff, apply cork grease to help the mouthpiece slide on more easily. Once that's in place, remove the mouthpiece guard and reform your embouchure using the roll, rest, and seal method covered in the last lesson. Here's a quick recap. Roll the bottom of the mouthpiece over the bottom lip. Rest your teeth gently on the top and seal your lips at the side to stop any air escaping. Now keep your embouchure in place and blow air into your mouthpiece and connected crook. Try and keep your cheeks flat and avoid biting too hard. Do you hear a sound? Great job! Try this one more time, focusing on squeezing the muscles around the mouthpiece rather than biting with either the top or bottom teeth. Let's practice this in the next exercise.